Want to make money online in 2025? In this video, we'll reveal 5 powerful AI tools that can help you earn passive income, automate tasks, and build a thriving business. Hey, I'm your AI mate, and welcome to AMate Hub, your go-to channel for unlocking the power of AI. We explore cutting-edge AI tools, reveal automation hacks, and help you level up your digital game. From boosting productivity to making money online, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Tool 1. ChatGPT. First up, we have ChatGPT, your personal AI content assistant. With ChatGPT, you can write blog posts and sell them on Fiverr, create social media captions for small businesses, automate customer support for e-commerce stores. Many freelancers earn between $500 and $1,000 per month just by using ChatGPT. Imagine making money by typing from home. Sounds like a dream, right? Tool 2. Midjourney. Next is Midjourney, an AI tool that generates stunning artwork. You can sell digital art on platforms like Etsy, design unique logos for clients on Upwork, even launch your own NFT collections and make passive income. Some creators make thousands of dollars per month selling AI-generated art. If you're even a little creative, this could be your golden ticket. Tool 3. InVideo. Third, we have InVideo, a tool that turns text into professional videos. It's perfect for creating faceless YouTube videos in minutes, producing video ads for small businesses, making product promo videos and selling them on freelance platforms. The best part? You don't need any editing skills. Just enter your script, choose templates, and let AI do the work. Tool 4. 11 Labs. Next we have 11 Labs, an AI-powered voice generator. This tool creates realistic, human-like voices that sound just like a professional narrator. You can use it to voice your YouTube videos, sell voiceover services on Fiverr or Upwork, create audiobooks or podcasts without ever speaking yourself. People are making $50 to $300 per project by simply generating voiceovers using AI. Easy money, right? Tool 5. vidIQ. Finally, we have vidIQ, the ultimate YouTube growth tool. vidIQ helps you find the best video topics and keywords, analyze your competitors' strategies, optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags for more views. With vidIQ, you can skyrocket your channel's growth and start earning from YouTube faster than ever. These 5 AI tools are game changers for making money online. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel, sell digital art, or become a freelance content creator, AI has you covered. Which tool will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to AMate Hub for more AI-powered tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.